Imagine turning a simple text prompt or a hand-drawn sketch on a napkin into a fully editable, interactive app design in just seconds. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are looking at Uizard, an AI-powered UI design and wireframing tool that is changing the game for creating digital products. If you know how to use Google Slides or PowerPoint, you can use Uizard to design mobile apps, websites, and desktop software. The magic lies in their AI features, particularly Auto Designer 2.0. With it, you can generate multi-screen editable prototypes using simple text descriptions. If you need to make changes, you just select a component, describe what you want to modify, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. You can also instantly generate new screens or swap out entire visual themes in seconds. But Uizard doesn't stop at text prompts. It features a screenshot scanner that transforms flat screenshots of your favorite apps into editable mockups, and a wireframe scanner that digitizes your hand-drawn sketches into clean, interactive digital designs. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. While we don't have a massive database of external consumer reviews to pull from today, the feedback from design professionals using the platform highlights how fast and practical the tool is for speeding up the design workflow. It's perfect for startup founders, product managers, and developers who need to bring an MVP to life or collaborate with teams in real time. On the flip side, because it is designed for speed and simplicity, highly advanced UI designers looking for complex, ultra-custom animations or micro-interactions might find themselves wanting to export their wireframes into more specialized tools later in the production cycle. Overall, if you want to skip the steep learning curves of traditional design software and bring your ideas to life instantly, Uizard is absolutely worth trying. You can sign up for free at uizard.io to test out these AI features for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you plan to build first.